This is a coordinates and route generation module. When a user enters the manual entry page, they will be able to generate routes and gather some points of interest to generate these routes. The first step to generating routes is to gather the points of interest. To get the points of interest, the user can simply click on the Get POI point and then select the center of the region in that they want to generate points in, and select the radius to for the coverage of the points. And when we click on generate coordinates now, the system will collect points from the Bing POI data source, and the points will be displayed using red pins. If the user is not happy with the coverage here, then they can simply create some random coordinates. So I would simply just need to put the number of random coordinates that we want and click on generate coordinates. So now you can see that we have 100 randomly generated coordinates in the defined region. After an initial coordinate dataset has been generated, the user can click on Make Route to generate the routes using these coordinates. So on this tab, the user will need to put the minimum distance. So let's say 1, and the average distance of the routes in kilometers. So let's say 5, and maximum 10, and the number of routes that the user wants to generate. So let's say you want to generate 100 routes. So after inputting these parameters, which is the minimum, average, and the maximum distance of the routes to be generated, and the count of the routes to be generated, the user can click on generate routes, and the system will automatically start the route generation process.